Millions of women across the globe suffer with stress urinary incontinence and prolapse, most as a result of having children. SRC Restore has been shown to significantly help with symptoms of both. In a trial, the garment improved continence and quality of life in 70% of women. Our sweat-wicking, quick-drying fabric contains a patented anatomical support gusset. The underwear works by activating your pelvic floor, reduces incontinence, and helps you get on with your day. It has been through a 100-wash test, ensuring longevity and maintenance of its compression over time. If you have severe incontinence, it may not be 100% effective, so please consult your healthcare professional. You can try it for yourself, worry-free. Just visit srchealth.com to learn more today.